cutting like opening, so just move to second floor. So here, so these are like exterior walls. So if I just want to give the opening to here, so I'm just clicking on the floor plan opening. For example, I just created a floor opening here and click on finish. So in 3D I can see floor opening. So but here I couldn't see the floor opening to the ceiling. So here I just need to create. For that, move to first floor and here 2D ceiling and then click on floor opening. So now you can see the trace of the floor opening. Draw the same rectangle and click on finish. So now you can see in 3D, see the floor opening from the bottom you can see. So here, now you can place the staircase from the public library. Like I'm just using the spiral staircase. So here, for example, if I use this, so here, so I can reduce the size. So it's moving. So I can give the size based on that. I can move to the end. So if I'm having any dimensions, so I can put according to the dimension. I can adjust that. So this is how we can create a staircase.